Hi, how are you doing today?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking.
Are you feeling tired?
Just a little.
Do you want to eat something?
Yes, I'm feeling hungry.
Would you like some water?
No, I'm okay for now.
May I know your name?
Sure, my name is Jack.
What's your age?
I'm 25.
Which country are you from?
I'm from the United States.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a dentist.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Where do you stay?
I live in New York.
Is your place far from here?
Not at all, it's nearby.
Is New York a large city?
Yes, it's very big.
How's the weather today?
It feels a bit cold.
Is it raining outside right now?
No, it's not.
Is the temperature dropping today?
Yes, it's getting colder.
Do you like rainy weather?
Yes, I really enjoy it.
What day is it today?
Today is Monday.
Do you know the time?
It's 3:30 in the afternoon.
Are you feeling happy today?
Yes, I feel very happy.
Are you feeling sad at all?
No, not today.
Are you busy right now?
Yes, I'm working.
Will you be free tomorrow?
Yes, I'll be free in the afternoon.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I love them a lot.
Is your mother at home right now?
Yes, she's busy cooking.
Is your father at his job?
Yes, he's at the office.
How often do you visit your family?
I visit them every weekend.
Who is your closest friend?
My best friend is Lisa.
Where does she live?
She lives near my house.
Do you spend time with your friends?
Yes, we usually go out on Saturdays.
Can your friends speak English?
Some of them can.
Do you enjoy meeting new people?
Yes, I really enjoy it.
Are your parents nice and caring?
Yes, they're very kind.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help them daily.
Do you look after your brother?
Yes, I help him with his homework.
Do you have grandparents?
Yes, I have two grandmothers.
Are you going back home now?
Yes, I am.
Are you feeling unwell?
No, I feel fine.
Did you get enough sleep last night?
Yes, I slept for about 8 hours.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and bread.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I have coffee every day.
What time do you wake up on working days?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
And on weekends?
I wake up around 8 a.m.
How do you usually travel to your workplace?
I usually take the bus.
Do you ever walk to work?
Yes, when the weather is nice.
Do you own a car?
No, I don't have one.
Are you able to drive?
Yes, I know how to drive.
Do you use the train to commute?
No, not very often.
Is the bus a quick way to travel?
No, it's quite slow.
When does your workday begin?
I start work at 9 a.m.
What time do you leave work?
I finish around 8 p.m.
Where do you usually have lunch?
I eat lunch at work.
Do you prepare dinner yourself?
Yes, I cook every evening.
Do you do house cleaning?
Yes, I clean on weekends.
Do you go out to shop?
Yes, mostly on Saturdays.
Do you buy clothes regularly?
Sometimes, yes.
How about shoes? Do you buy them often?
Only when I really need them.
Do you enjoy online shopping?
Yes, it's very easy and convenient.
How do you usually pay for things?
I mostly pay by card.
Do you include vegetables in your daily meals?
Yes, every day.
Do you drink enough water daily?
Yes, I drink plenty of water.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love it.
Do you eat ice cream?
Yes, once in a while.
Are you a fan of fast food?
No, I don't like fast food.
Do you work out at the gym?
Yes, I go twice a week.
Do you play football?
Yes, sometimes.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Do you enjoy spending time in parks?
Yes, I really love it.
Which place do you like the most?
My favorite spot is the park close to my home.
Are you interested in reading books?
Yes, I enjoy reading a lot.
Do you watch television?
Yes, mostly in the evening.
Do you watch films?
Yes, I watch movies every week.
Do you ever go to the movie theater?
Yes, from time to time.
Do you listen to music often?
Yes, I listen to music daily.
Can you play any musical instrument?
No, I can't play any instruments.
Are you able to sing?
Yes, just a little.
Do you spend a lot of time on your phone?
Yes, I use my phone every day.
Do you enjoy using social media apps?
Yes, I like them a lot.
Do you talk to your friends on the phone regularly?
Yes, I talk to them almost daily.
Do you like gaining new knowledge?
Yes, I enjoy learning and growing.
Do you enjoy studying English?
Yes, I really love learning English.
Do you study on a daily basis?
Yes, I try to study every day.
Do you like taking exams?
No, not really.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Have you ever visited another country?
Yes, I have.
Which country did you visit?
I traveled to France.
Do you like flying on airplanes?
Yes, definitely.
Do you enjoy camping?
Yes, very much.
Do you visit mountainous areas?
Sometimes I go with friends.
Do you go to the beach?
Yes, during summer.
Do you take pictures while traveling?
Yes, I always take photos.
Do you enjoy surprises?
Yes, they're always exciting.
Do you celebrate your birthday?
Yes, I celebrate it every year.
Do you buy presents for your friends?
Yes, especially on their birthdays.
Do you like getting gifts yourself?
Of course, who doesn't?
Do you ever give flowers to someone?
Yes, flowers can make people smile.
Do you enjoy being alone sometimes?
Yes, especially when I need to think.
Do you trust your friends?
Yes, most of the time.
Do you tell your secrets to friends?
Only very close ones.
Do you like family picnics?
Yes, I really enjoy them.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you take your pet for walks?
Yes, usually in the evening.
Do you plan to get married in the future?
Yes, someday.